In this video, you are going to see how to move columns in Microsoft Excel. Here I have a data set and I have the designation full name. Suppose I want the designation before the full name. So I want to switch it. So what is the way actually? Let us select the designation column and hold down the shift key from your keyboard and keep your mouse in the margin of the column. Then you will get a 4 arrow key. Just drag it and put it like this. If you want to reposition also this one before the employee ID, just hold down the shift key and drag it like this. And this is perfect. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family. And don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.